Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you like this video, please do subscribe. In this video, we are going to learn what is the difference between var and dynamic variables in Dart programming language. For that, I create a fifth file. I say var dynamic.dart. Then I say void main simple. Here, suppose I don't want to use this notation int num1. Suppose I don't want to use the data type int or double or some other. So I can use in place of this var. Remember that. This var is convert automatically into the integer type once I initialize the value. If I initialize like this, so it become integer. So I just tell you how it is. I say runtime type, you see, and you will see that if I run this code, I say dart run 5 and I say dart run, I say 5, you say int. Remember, so dart run this file, if I run, then we have a int type because it's an integer. Now it convert into int. Suppose in place of this, if I write Dr. Vipin, remember, now it is convert automatically into string. Remember that. If I change it to true like this, now it is convert automatically into bool type. Remember that. Everything is clear to you now. Where now I tell you one more thing here, that similar to this, if we have, and again if I want to convert this value into string, you see, like this, you see it's saying error. It's what is the error? That you cannot assign a string to the type bool. This is var type of variable, but once you initialize the value, it become the same type. That means if you have declared it bool the first time, so you can't change the data type. Remember that you can't do like this. If I say print and I say num1 here, it will generate an error. I run it and you see error. You cannot do this because it's a bool type. You have said here bool type, so you can change the value but you cannot change the data type. Here I can say false. Remember that it is true, here it is false. If I run it, it will say false. No problem at all. Bool type false because you can change the value, but you cannot change the data type. Now if you want to change the data type, you don't sure that which data type you are going to use, so we have a second one is called dynamic. So I say dynamic and I say num2, remember, and here suppose I say 10 first time, then I say print, I say num2 dot runtime. You see the type of this right now is int. Run it in type. But if I want to change this, suppose I say num2 equal to, and I say Dr. Vipin classes like this, then semicolon, then I again print it and I say num2. Remember that it is change. Again I run it. You see Dr. Vipin classes string type is there. If you want to check the run type, you can say this also, that now it's convert into string type. Remember, so the difference between var and dynamic, var is also you can assign any kind of value, but once you assign the value, later on you can't change. So if you assign bool, then it will the bool in its lifetime, and if you assign a string, then it will remain the string in its lifespan or lifetime. But in case of dynamic, if you declare a variable as integer, so you can also change the type of it because it's a dynamic type. That means you can change the data type also. You can change in a string, you can change in bool, you can change in double anytime. But one more thing you have to learn about var and dynamic. If I declare any var variable like this, I say num3, but I do not initialize this. Now I initialize this as a int value like this, and I say print, remember, and I say num3. Try to check. This is the var variable, but I did not initialize. I initialize later on. Then if I print it, so, and I say runtime, so you will see that it is integer type again. You see this is integer type, but now is a magic. I say num3 equal to string Dr. Vipin Tevatia like this, you see, and I say print num3. Remember that now it is changed. No error at all. I run it and you see Dr. Vipin Tevatia. Remember that the magic here. Dynamic type, I initialize it. Later on, I can change the data type. No problem at all. But in case of var variable. Once I initialize, then I can't change the data type, it's generate error. But in var data type, once I declare the variable, but on declaration time, if I do not initialize the value, remember that on initialization time, on variable creation time, if I do not initialize any value here, this variable is become dynamic. Without initialization, var become dynamic. Remember, without initialization, var become dynamic. Remember that. So we are not initializing here, we are initializing later on in next line. Now it is integer, but later on I can change into some other type also. So it behave like a dynamic variable, but if I initialize it on declaration time, then the nature is different. You can't change the data type. So var you can use in two way, like dynamic also, like a normal type also, but dynamic can only be used if you want to change the data type later on in your program. Remember that. So I think it's a very interesting video. You learn the new things in Dart programming language. If you are learning something from these series, please subscribe this channel, like this video, share to your friends, and thank you for watching this video.